child is carrying wood, not because they're told they have to, not because they're trying to be good, but because their body knows it matters. When you carry wood, your hands learn strength. Your shoulders learn balance. Your breath learns how to move through effort. But something else happens too. Your body learns, I can help. I can contribute. I belong here. The wood isn't the point. The point is that when you carry something real, something that helps keep people warm, fed, safe, your nervous system learns purpose. Not praise, not gold stars, purpose. And when children are kept from carrying anything meaningful, their bodies don't learn strength. They learn waiting. Waiting to be told. Waiting to be served. Waiting to matter. But when a child carries wood, even a small piece, their body feels the truth before their brain understands it. I make the world better when I show up. That feeling stays. It becomes confidence. It becomes responsibility. It becomes kindness with muscle behind it. So when we invite children to carry wood, we're not giving them a chore. We're giving them a chance to feel strong, to feel useful, to feel good in the world.